Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Anu Simple Art and Craft. Today in this video I am going to share with you how to make organic Holi color in your home, and wish you all happy Holi in advance. I am taking some beetroot juice and now I am adding some turmeric powder and mix them together. I am adding some talcum powder and mix it. Our deep orange Holi color is ready. I am taking food color and now I am adding some talcum powder and mix them together. Our blue Holi color is ready. Now I am taking some coriander leaves. Now make a fine paste using mixture grinder. Now I am adding some talcum powder with this coriander juice. Mix them properly. Our green organic Holi color is ready. Now let it dry. After drying all Holi colors, please follow this entire process very carefully. Our Holi colors are ready now. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos, and wish you all happy Holi.